Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on with hashtag Satmore Makes, hosted by Julia Norwood, as well as hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, More Creations, and Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and Do You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. This week's theme is window, and so hopefully you've had the chance to get some creations with windows on it and share your projects. Next week's theme will be graduation. So we're going to give you the opportunity to get in some graduation projects come next week. All right, let's jump right in. I am using an old die from my Creative Time. So this is not in her store. It's an older die, but I love how this looks. It's so cute. It also comes with a set of stamps. I didn't pull those out, but really like this. It's really cute. And there goes the dies on the back side. And I'm also using this recent die set, which is butterfly plate, and I'm using one butterfly on my project. This is the paper that I'm using. It's an older My Mind's Eye, and as you see, I got it from Tuesday Morning, and I'm using this color, I believe, right there. And I'm also using this one, the tiny flowers, as well as the leaf die plate from her last release. And this one, I want to say it was a couple releases ago now, but one of my favorite dies, and I'm just using this one right here, and this is called the 3.75 by 4.75 card base. So I'm just using that one right there. And this is how my lovely window card turned out. I wasn't quite finished, but I had to call it a wrap because I'm a busy lady these days. Anyways, so let me show that a little bit closer. I did want to put a like a branch hanging down, but I don't know, it might get on there, it may not. I'm not sure. I did not put any sentiment on here because I didn't know what I was going to send it out for. So, but I really like how it turned out. There goes those little small tiny flowers from my Creative Time, as well as the leaves behind there. And as you can see, I have curtains in the window, and it's so pretty. Also, this paper is from my Creative Time too. One of her latest releases. I did not finish off the inside of the card, so it's just pretty plain in there. And there goes her butterfly from that butterfly plate, but really cute. I hope to see all of your projects soon, so hopefully you've been working on your window projects. And like I said, next week's theme is graduation, and so if you have any graduates that will be graduating soon, we would like to see your projects. All right, so make sure you use the hashtag Two Crafters One Design, or hashtag Satmore Makes, and upload your project so that we can all come over and see what you've been creating. Also, the ladies' links will be down below, and that's all I have for you. Check out the picture at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.